Right, I've got three buttons and they're going to do three different things. We're going to open up three different built-in apps into your phone. So first one, open maps, should open maps. So let's just, first of all, it's a button. It's got an ID of BTU Maps. Phone has an ID of BTU Phone, and Open Browser has an ID of BTU Browser. So we'll just make sure in your manifest file you have permissions to access the internet. And then in the main activity, I have declared my three buttons. I have kind of initialized the three buttons like we do normally, and I've set on three on-click listeners for the three different buttons. Now, all you need to really know is that in the first one, which would open maps, this is kind of a standard intent for opening maps. And what you're doing is all you'd be doing is changing the longitude and latitude. So this brings me to the Eiffel Tower. Now, that'll be for the maps. For the phone, again, another built-in intent, which will actually open up and ready to ring this number. So you all you really need to do is change that number. And then finally, I've got a browser and it's a slightly different intent again, where you'll set where you want to go. And remember that S is important. And then it will actually open up the built-in browser. So we're actually using apps that are already stored on your phone. And if you have more than one app that accesses browser, for example, it will give you that choice. So let's just have a look at that. And we kind of have the tree just about there now. Right. So if I go open maps, it'll open up Google Maps and eventually it should open up the Eiffel Tower there. Okay, so you can check that after to see if that's right or wrong, or change your coordinates and see does it open up wherever you want to go. All right, so as you can see, that's a separate app that's opened up. Now, if I want to open phone to that particular number, this number here, I go open phone and it should be ready to dial, and then I just ring that number. Okay, again, it's a different app. And then finally here with the open browser, it should open that browser there. So if I go open browser, it should open up Google's website. And there we go. All right. So there's three built-in codes. It's only basically a cut and paste job to do three things: maps, phone, and browser.